What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now I'm at another job site. About to install some metal. They got a lot going on out here. I don't even know what this is. I don't know if this some type of store or church or some type of business, but I'm out here networking, and I really just checked in just to say, I know y'all see me on different job sites doing different mobile jobs, networking myself, and it's basically because I really have the desire to be independent. But in order for me to be independent, I have to work for others. Or, let me say that right, I have to work with others. You see what I'm saying? So, there's steps into getting yourself where you need to be. But the main thing is never giving up. Always networking. Always putting yourself out there. Because you never know who might need your help. All gone.